Being a real estate agent can be tough if you don't know exactly all the things you can do as a real estate agent. Being a real estate agent since 2000, the last 23 years, I've set up a unique system that's created income for me every month. And I don't have to go out, I don't have to find new clients all the time to keep my business going. So, as a real estate agent, that's really super crucial, and it's rarely heard through, a lot of coaching sessions, masterminds, whatever you want to call them. But I wanted to show you what our coaching program is going to do. I first got going in 2000, and I got my real estate license. I was just, I was getting it to buy and sell my own real estate. As I did that, I figured out that that wasn't going to be the only way to do that. I needed to do better. Although I was making good money doing that. My first year, I think I did 60,000. I've done six figures every year after that. But I didn't understand the whole process. I learned it on the streets. I never got this from any system that I read. I never got this from any coaching, any nothing. I never took a course on this. But you fast forward to today, my wife and me have a great portfolio of business that every month we have a nice income coming in. And it's very nice. As realtors, we really miss a lot of stuff because we do work a lot of hours and we put in a lot of time and we put in a lot of effort to get people real estate. But my slow months are really good for most realtors. But this is why I created this course, because I think that with an 87% chance of failing in 5 years as a realtor, you need these services. Matt, I don't stress every month. I have money coming in even now, and it's just been. In fact, I'm having almost a record month this month as I record this. So it's a really good process, and it allows you to get more business and not stress out on the slower months. It's huge, right? Realtors deal with a lot of stress because they've got to buy, they got to sell, they got to buy, then they got to go out and find a new client. And that's something that we don't do. Our portfolio building services are designed to help agents diversify investment portfolio that meets their goals and investment strategy. So what's that mean? That means that you're going to know how to find real estate, investment real estate. You're going to know how to get it set up to be viable for your real estate business, your services. I've been doing this for 23 years. No complaints on my license. It's a full disclosure thing, but you have to know how to do it properly and understand that it is work. It's a lot of work, but it's a well-paying position to use your license. As a realtor, we're just not taught this. We're just taught the fear of influence, close friends. Hopefully you get a few out of that, and hopefully you get going. But we're going to teach you all of that. So here is the thing that we want to look at as we're building these portfolios for investors. We're going to also build some for ourselves. And I'm going to show you how to connect with investors. There's ways to communicate. It's critical to know that, because I literally have investors all over the world. I have them in Belgium. I have them in Malaysia. I have them in Canada. I have them in Israel. I have them in Russia, believe it or not. So, I've got them in California. I have them in New York. All my investors in Ohio basically are not in Ohio. I show you how to deal with a bigger market, a more international market, that are sophisticated investors and understand how to do real estate. Now, what I'll teach you is how to manage them, how to manage their properties, how to be beneficial to them and make them money. That's the key here. You have to make money. The client has to make money. I'll show you how to do both. And that's what we do here. I've been doing it for 23 years again. But you build lasting relationships. They always need real estate, and you're always looking for real estate for them. And you're also looking for real estate for yourself. We believe in helping agents get diversified with an income stream. So I have 10 properties myself. I have a property management that gives me rental income all the time. I show you how to make commissions 3 times on a property. What's that mean? That means you can buy it, you lease it, you sell it, you release it, whatever that means. But property management is a really good device to get residual income coming in too. And again, a lot of brokerages don't teach that because they don't want anything to do with it. But if you do it correctly and you do it right and you have the right real estate, it will work. And I'll show you how to do that. So this coaching program is designed to get you out of the rat race of every day going out and saying, my goodness, what in the world am I going to do for tomorrow? You know, you get one sold, you got to get somewhere else. You got to start making phone calls. You got to start showing people. You got to drive buyers around. I don't know 95% of my clients as far as physical. I know them online. They call me. That's how I do my business. So imagine not having to drive and look at properties all the time. When a client comes in, I just show them properties we're doing. We go to dinner and we have a good time. So that's just really all about my marketing. And you're still going to know how to list. You're going to still know how to buy. I list a ton of properties because I have investment real estate. I just sold 7 properties through that. So you're going to get a better understanding of how to use your real estate license, how to expand it and make it make more money for you, and not be part of that 87% that fell after 5 years. And you're going to show how to make it. You know, you're going to make it happen. You know, you've got to make it happen and get your own stuff, get the management set up, get investors, and I'll show you how to do rehab, all that. I'll show you how to understand all that because it's really important and crucial to understand that. And you need to know how to market your services. Marketing is everything. So if you don't market your services, there's no, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to communicate with your investors on a weekly basis so you can keep you in the front of their mind, so when they're ready to do something they can do it, and you can make money from them because you can get a lot of stuff from them. Making consistent money is going to be the key to my services. Consistent money means that every month you're going to have money coming in already. You're going to be able to count on a certain amount of money that you've got coming in, and that's through a lot of different things that I teach. But again, you got to have a real estate license to do that. So with this coaching thing, you're going to learn how to be self-promoting, self-made with investors, understand rehab, property management, how to lease, all that, how to sell, all that. Give me a call, 216-703-5740. If you want to change your life, if you want to keep going out banging the phone and door knocking and doing all that stuff, this isn't your course. This is a totally different course. So you can go to tensionrealtors.com, but we're only going to take 10 students right now. And we're going to start from there, and then we're going to move forward. But if you want to be one of the first 10 students to start this particular program, get connected now. Thanks. Hope you have a great day.